video, we are going to study about the role of technology and the shift in PPC curve. Okay. This is our last video on this chapter. And this topic is not given in your book. Please listen to it carefully. ये आपके book में नहीं दिया गया है, but it is there in your syllabus. Okay. So, in our last class, we have studied about how to draw the PPC. This is our x-axis. This is our y-axis. This is origin. Suppose this is good x and this is good y. Okay. This is our PPC curve. Y and x. This is our PPC curve. Now, if we are increasing our resources or we are using updated technologies, advanced technologies, so our productivity will also increase. If we are using increased resources or updated technologies, our PPC curve will shift towards right. Our PPC curve will shift towards right. This also shows the growth in an economy. Is it clear? Now, on the other hand, if we are using outdated technologies, okay, and our resources has also been decreased, so our PPC curve will also shift towards left. This is y2, this is x2. This is your shift in the PPC curve, because whole of the PPC curve is shifting either towards its right or towards its left. Is it clear? Now, suppose for example, if in a country there is a situation of flood, okay, so बाढ़ के टाइम पे क्या होता है, आपका रिसोर्सेस डिक्रीज हो जाता है, आपका रिसोर्सेस स्पॉइल हो रहा है. तो इफ योर रिसोर्सेस आर बीइंग स्पॉइल्ड, तो आपका रिसोर्सेस क्या हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है. योर पीपीसी विल शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. वही चीज अगर बोला जा रहा है, व्हाट इज द इंपैक्ट ऑफ मेक इन इंडिया स्कीम ऑन पीपीसी. मेक इन इंडिया स्कीम के चलते क्या हो रहा है, आपके क्या हो रहा है, आपका रिसोर्सेज इंक्रीज हो रहा है, आपका टेक्नोलॉजीज इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो आपका पीपीसी क्या होगा, राइटवर्ड शिफ्ट करेगा. सो इफ देयर इज एनी डिस्ट्रक्टिव सिचुएशन, any situation which is leading to the decline of your resources and technology, तो आपका PPC will shift towards left. On the other hand, if there is any upgradation in your technologies and resources, if there is any programs or any schemes which is leading to the increase in your resources and technology, your PPC will shift towards right. That is the shift in the PPC because of the technologies and resources. Let's study about the rotation of PPC. Now see, if suppose x, y, origin, this is good x, this is good y. This is my PPC curve, x and y. Here what happened, suppose we are using such technologies which is increasing the productivity of x. Is it clear? But it is not increasing the productivity of y. There are such technologies which helps in the production of, which helps in the increase in the production of any one commodity. Because we have studied in the assumptions of PPC that resources and technologies are not equally efficient in producing both the goods together. Okay. So here what happened, if the technology is leading to the increase in the production of x, so x will increase, x1, but there will be no change in the y. Okay, so this will be your new PPC. This is the rotation of PPC. Same thing happens with y also, x, y, origin, this is good y, this is good x. This is my PPC, x and y. Suppose whatever technologies we are using, it is increasing the productivity of y and there is no change in the production of the commodity x. So y will increase. This is y1. So this is my new PPC. So this is rotation. So we have studied about shifts and rotation. What are the effects of technologies and resources on your PPC curve? Is it clear? So with this we have completed our chapter, that is basic problems of an economy. This chapter is very important and very easy chapter. Please go through it once. Okay, and I'll be giving you the question answers. Please write it down in your notebook. Okay, thank you so much.